It is 1:02. I'll go ahead and get started. Okay. Of course, this is May 19th or whatnot. Our next meeting will be June 16th. I'm glad everybody can make it and can hear, and I hope you've muted your microphones. I've tried muting all before. It just doesn't quite work the way I'd like it to, but I don't hear any background, so we're good. We'll move on. Again, support during the working from home environment that we've got going on. The best way to get a hold of us is send, either CAD support an email or the individuals an email, or even instant messaging has been working out really well. I get a lot of that. You just send me a Skype and we'll try, or send us a Skype and we'll try to get back to you as soon as we possibly can on that. Or if you call our work numbers, or if you have our personal phone. But if you have those numbers, you can call us, and if you don't answer, of course, just leave a message, a bit of a detailed message, so we can get back with you on those. As far as all the classes for June, the face-to-face classes, they've been canceled, so we won't have any of that. But what we have in its place is we're going to be able to provide some training from home. We've got a little bit of work to do on this. But at the CAD services page, if you go out to it, you can see that here we have CAD training on our CAD services page. And if you go to it, you'll see this. And I think I went through this a couple months back, but we've got instructor-led classes. These are actual face-to-face classes, which have all been canceled. And then we have the Mo.U online CAD courses for credit. We do have a concept station, a microstation, and a hydrology and hydraulics class out there. We have those three. We don't have Road 1 or Road 2 out there, and I think our next push is to get Road 1 out there as soon as possible, which will have the class files are already out there in ProjectWise, and we have the manual and the videos already out there. So what it would be is coming up with some questions so that people can take their class or their online stuff and do it, and then answer questions in this Mo.U, and then get credit for taking the Road 1 or Road 2 or whatever we put out there. So that's going to be available. Let me go back to my PowerPoint. Also, we've got the Power Geopack blog out there on the CAD services page, so you can find that training out there. Now, the other one is the program delivery training page. It has a lot of training links as well. I'll go ahead and click it. It'll open up the next program delivery page. And in the training catalog, you've got a lot of options. You also have Mo.U access right here as well. But the training catalog, if we go out there, you've got your different disciplines that we have. And we'll go with design. And under design, you can see there's classes out here. And off on the right, you'll be looking for a Mo.U link to enroll into it. So there's some classes and some information off on the right side too for some external links for some of these classes. There's a lot of different classes that are out here that have been tagged into it. But down near the bottom, you got Mo.U stuff. Let's see. We got some plans reading stuff. And we got down here to our microstation for design. Now we're going to get this link active so it's out here. And then when we get Road 1 finished up, we'll put a link out there for that one as well so that you can enroll in Mo.U and take the class. So same with all these other ones that are missing, but I don't know anything about the roadside safety or any of that stuff. Our stuff, what we're going to work on next is basically that, is getting that updated so that all our new employees will have a place to go to take some training. The ORD updates, as far as Open Roads Designer goes, July 1st, we've set a date for us to have all our training files and manuals completed for Road 1. So we'll have it done also with the videos, so that we'll have the class files done and all the videos, and maybe even have that into a Mo.U form after we get all this stuff done. So that's kind of our date to do that. After that, I don't know when we're going to push or anything. We haven't had a big discussion on any of that yet. Okay, so let me see. Well, the next thing I got is Shannon's going to give a little bit of a presentation on how to create an alignment and profile using the Open Roads Designer.